Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80070643 error if recovery partition is enabled but Windows 10 or 11 cannot update. So here is a quick fix to solve this problem. First of all, go to your search option here and here search cmd, that is a command prompt. And after that, right click it here and click run as administrator here. Click it here and select yes. And now you have to give a command on this command prompt. I will provide this command to the description. The command is reagentc /info. And here you have to look for this option. Windows iris status is enabled or not. If this is not enabled, if you can see this option is disabled, all you have to do is enable the option. My one is already enabled, but if your one is showing disabled, you have to give a command prompt to enable the option. Just give the same command and minimize the info option and here type enable and click enter and your option will be enabled. So in this way you can easily fix the problem. So this is the video and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel and I will catch you guys in the next one.